Hey everybody, I have a special treat for you tonight. This is I'll do a review or more of a tour of the Omega Flightmaster. This is a great big pilot's watch from the 60s. Started production in late 69, went to the mid 70s, I think 74, something like that. From Omega, from Switzerland. Great watch, mechanical watch. Really great level of detail and high precision. This particular one was sent to Omega for a service. That's why it looks so nice. Anyway, I'll show you some of the details. Here's the case. Super thick, just formed out of one sort of stainless steel block. There's the back. The unique thing about this watch is that it has 3 crowns and 2 pushers. So the 2 pushers are for the chronograph, as you might expect. They're color coded. My paint is starting to wear off of these pushers, but they're originally both yellow and red. You can see a little bit remaining there. So with the chronograph, the large hand is the seconds. The subdial at 3 o'clock is a minute totalizer, and it's a 30-minute range, I guess you could say. And then on the bottom, subdial is an hour totalizer, and that's 12 hours. So you can record a 12-hour event with this watch, and it'll record it to 1/5 of a second accuracy. You can see the hash marks there on the dial, nicely staggered. I love the sort of information design on this watch. It's really easy to read, and the precision is just great. If you stop it, it'll line up right on the right on the hash mark. I mean, that's the kind of precision that you get with a nice Swiss watch. That maybe you won't find on a. I mean, that level of precision you probably won't find on a quartz watch. Anyway, I'll leave that running. So, and then of course the seconds here on the 9 o'clock subdial. And actually, I don't know if you can see this, but if I really, I don't know if it's going to focus, but each of those subdials, the surface of them is made up of a series of concentric rings. I don't know if you can get that fine of a grain on here, but anyway, it's just really nice level of detail and nice quality. So the other unique features of this watch, here are 2 more crowns that are color-coded. The bottom crown is the rotating internal bezel, so you can see it rotate there, and it's bidirectional, so you can rotate it in either direction. So this was a pilot's watch, so a couple of things you could do with this bezel. One is you could just set it somewhere and say, like, okay, 10:32, that's my reminder when, I don't know, we have to take off or do whatever. I'm not a pilot, so I don't really know, but you can set a reminder mark there. Or you can set it at the hour hand to say, okay, this is when I'm going to start my chronograph, so you can tell the length of the time that you're recording by the subdials, and then also when you started recording that time. Or you could set it at the minute hand, and then the subdial would show you elapsed minutes, from whenever you moved it. So that's a cool feature. And line that up. Nice feel to this too. It's really smooth. This crown is for the 2nd hour hand. So this is a dual time zone here. So you can just set this, and this only rotates in one direction. So say my time zone that I'm setting it for is 9 hours away, so I would put it there, and then that shows that it's 7:21 in my 2nd time zone. So you can see, yeah, stopwatch running, the minutes accumulating on the subdial. What else can I tell you about this? Not much, I think. That's basically it. It's a great watch. I really like it. Super stylish. I love Love the case, the brushed finish, and I like that this thing is in such nice condition. There it is, get in close here. Really enjoy this one. Omega Flightmaster. There you go.